Good morning, good morning. I just want you guys to just pray for me because I've been doing my best to avoid trouble, but every time I'm walking in the mornings, me always look cute and in my shorts and them something there. The woman always look me. I'm tell her I'm married. They say me, she needs to stop, trying to lust after me. It's not right. I'm gonna talk to my pastor about it because not many men at my age look so fabulous. She just all over me. Help! Help! Rape! Call the police. You understand? She just need to leave me alone. Guys, just pray for me. Because as I said before, this beauty and this cuteness and this hot body is quite a trouble today.